In this vlog, we're going to take a trip out to Koh. Koh is a Thai word for island. Koh Talu, which is an island located about 10 kilometers off the coast of where we live. It's situated in the Gulf of Thailand, and it is a privately owned island. Koh Talu has been a well-known landmark for sailors for over 100 years, and it was regarded as the gateway to the Gulf of Siam. Siam is the former name of Thailand back in the old days. Later, during World War I, local villagers settled on the island, and eventually Koh Talu became a very popular fishing destination because many fishermen realized that they can make their livelihood from all the fish that was abundant around the island. When news spread about the abundance of fish in Saphan Bay, fishing fleets from all over began to swarm around Koh Talu, overfishing the area. Eventually, this led to destructive fishing practices such as using dynamite, which had a devastating impact on the natural habitat. Around 1979, a former trawler fisherman moved to Saphan after he'd successfully brought trawlers to catch mackerel behind the island. He later bought the island and turned it into a private island, which eventually led to the creation of Koh Talu Island Resort. The owner of Koh Talu is committed to restoring and preserving and practicing conservation principles. These eco-friendly activities include snorkeling, kayaking, sailing, scuba diving, and other eco-friendly, fun family activities. The fresh water in Koh Talu comes from natural resources, so there's no need to transport fresh water from the mainland, which is 10 kilometers away. On this trip, we paid about $12 US for each of us, and for that price, you get a free lunch as well as a vest, a snorkel, and a mask. It takes about 45 minutes to reach Koh Talu Island. However, if you really want to see the reef and the fish, you got to get under the water and dive in there so you can get a really nice view of what's happening down there. I'm not using any scuba gear, any kind of oxygen tank, so I gotta take a really deep breath and get down under there and stay for as long as I can and then come up for some fresh air. Well, that was the end of a fun-filled afternoon snorkeling and swimming. I will leave the contact information in the description below in case you ever want to come visit Bang Saphan and go snorkeling at Koh Talu Island. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for future vlogs from Global Visions 3.